probably watched both of the other two videos for 1.4 angle measures. Now we're going to do some examples using those terms that we used, that we learned in the last one. As you can see behind me, I have a couple different examples written up here. Right now would be a really good time for you to pause the video and write down the examples. Otherwise, you can try writing them down as I go. Feel free to take your time, pause the video, fast forward, rewind, do everything that you need. Take it at your own pace. I did write these down beforehand just so that the video is a bit shorter for your convenience. So, number one, I'm going to name all the angles with B as a vertex. First off, if you can't see this, right here, this point right there is B. So what are all the angles with B as a vertex? First off, we have this one, right? So we'll name that angle G, B, A. We have this angle right here, which if you can't see it, there's a number 5 there, so angle 5. This one also has it as a vertex, so we have angle 7. That's a number 7 right there. Guess what? B also extends down here, so we get angle 6. Angle 6. So those are all of the different angles that you can get. GBA or AGB or whatever. Angle 5, angle 6, and angle 7. Now we need to name all the sides of angle 5. Angle 5 is right here. So what are all the sides of this angle? Right here. Okay, so first off we need to name 2 rays because 2 rays make up an angle. So we want 2 rays. What are those 2 rays that we're looking for? Guess what? BG is a ray. And then what's the other ray? Our vertex is B, so we're always going to have B. And where does it go? To either E or F. I don't care if you do E or F. So it would be B, E. Okay. Or I'll write the other one down, B, F. Either one works, they're both the same ray, remember? Next, we're going to write another name for angle 6. So we get angle 6 right here. We can write another name using the 2 rays. So we want to use the 2 rays. Or the rays. We want to use the rays. So what are the rays of angle 6? Angle 6 is here. Let me use a green marker to denote angle 6. Angle 6 is here. So what are the different points in angle 6? First off, we have E, then we get the vertex, which is B, and then lastly, if we keep following this line, we get D. So what is that angle? It is angle E as in elephant, B as in boy, and D as in dog. There's a couple different other ways you can write it. You can have angle F, because it's down here, F, B, D. You could do DBE. You could go the other way. So DBE is okay. Or DBF is also fine. I don't care which one you do. They're all the same. They're all angle 6. They are all different names. Next, we want to classify each angle as a right, acute, or obtuse. The first step is finding these angles. We have a lot of different letters and numbers in here. So first off, we want to find all of these angles. So, and I think that's a Y. That's supposed to be a Y. I'm going to rewrite that. That's a Y. Let me double check. No, that is an X. This is an X. An X as in xylophone. Okay, so that's an X. Sorry, that was a bit of a bad writing for me. Okay, so first off, I'm going to use green for this one, so I'm going to circle it in green. Okay, so where is T, Y, V? So we have T up here. We have Y right here. We have V over here. So we go boop, 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 and up. Might be hard to tell in the video, but this is a connected line. If it is a full line and it separates right here at 90 degrees, guess what this one's gonna be? 90 degrees. So this is a, what's an angle with 90 degrees? A right angle. Okay, next we're gonna do angle WYT. First off, we need to find W. W is here. We see W. Yay, W. W. We need to find Y. Y is here. And we need to find T. 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 Okay, T is there. So we have WYT. We can bring T down to our Y. And then we can bring it over to our W. What does that angle look like? Does it look bigger than 90 degrees? We can compare to our 90-degree one. We figured out that that was a right angle. So, is it bigger or smaller than? Bigger. Bigger than 90 degrees. What does more than 90 degrees mean? Is that an acute or obtuse? It is an obtuse. Okay, the last one. I'm going to do in green again. We have T, Y, U. So we have T again. T. We have Y again. Y. We have U. So we're going to do, I'm going to do a solid line, T to Y, up to U. Now what does this line look like right here? We can see that little line like right there. Bigger or smaller than 90 degrees? Less than 90. What does less than 90 mean? If obtuse means more than 90, less than 90 we already got right. Right's 90, right? Obtuse is greater than 90. So what is acute? Less than 90. So less than 90 is acute. So those are two examples. Those will have similar ones like this in your homework assignment. So if you ever want to refer back to this video, feel free to.